11 signs you'll be rich. Every person wants to have a peaceful life and plenty of money for the moments they need. Unfortunately, there is no recipe that teaches how to get rich, as each person has different reality and difficulties, and there is no denying that inequality exists. Despite all this, we can say that there are certain beliefs, attitudes, and habits that contribute to a person's better life. After all, our thoughts also influence how we face life and, above all, how we treat money. Therefore, we can say that one of the pillars that will make you improve your financial situation is reviewing and adopting postures that will help you achieve a healthy relationship with money. Want to know if you will have a bright financial future? So check out 11 signs that you will be rich and start analyzing whether you have these attitudes or not. Sign number 1. Write down everything you do with your money. Are you organized with your bills, do your budget every month, and write down your expenses and cash inflows? If yes, congratulations. That way, you are one step away from at least having a more peaceful financial life. Whoever does this can understand where the money goes and what the person spends the most on, to make cuts if necessary. That way, you can plan and save an amount every month, avoiding waste of your money. Sign number 2. Buy only when you need. If you can hold back your impulses and don't buy out of desire, you're on the right track. Buying only what you need helps you to be more aware of the use of money and to be more careful with what you buy. That way, you use your money wisely and avoid getting frustrated with expenses that could have been avoided. Sign number 3. Believe in your potential. Are phrases like "I can't" and "I can't afford it" rare in your vocabulary? This is very good, because believing in your own potential is important not only for your financial life, but for every other aspect. Avoiding negative phrases that sabotage you is essential for you not to be afraid to take action, start something new, or put an idea into practice. Sign number 4. Question standards. You probably grew up with your parents telling you that when you're an adult, you'll have to get a job and work. Still, you must have heard that you must go to college to have a better job and earn more. Most people end up following this. You can even follow these teachings and have such a life. After all, it's most people's life, working for a living. However, if you at least wondered if this was the only way to live, then yes, you had evolution. That's because those who question this way of living end up looking for other ways to earn money and start looking for ways to increase their income and, who knows, even open their own business to get their money without depending on an employer. But questioning life is not the only thing. Those who question everything in life end up acquiring a critical view, which is excellent in any field of life. Sign number 5. Have patience. Patience is the best friend of those who want to improve their financial condition. You must understand that wealth is a lengthy process and that it can take years depending on the individual's living conditions. So, if you understand that a person builds their wealth little by little, know that you already have a positive point in your favor. Sign number 6. Save whenever you can. Saving is your watchword? If you're looking to save on everything, whether it's haggling in stores, buying in bulk to get a discount, or when you're on sale, you're on the right track. The more you can save, the more money you will have for your future, to invest or use in what you want most, and that can give you good results. It's just not worth giving up comfort. Everything must be measured and analyzed, without exaggeration. Sign number 7. Lives dissatisfied and always looks for ways to improve. If you think you earn little, are not satisfied with the amount that comes into your account every month, and are looking for ways to increase your income, it is a great sign. This is because being dissatisfied with life is what makes people act and look for ways to improve their condition. Whether having a second job, doing freelance work, selling sweets, or looking for ways to monetize your earnings from investments or entrepreneurship, seeing your bank account get fat is the most important thing. Sign number 8. Does not make debts. As stated in the second topic, buying only what you need is a way to use your money wisely, and you learn to give more value to what you buy. Also, if you avoid getting into debt as much as possible, that's even better. Going into debt, installment purchases on the card, or starting a loan, for example, can undermine your savings and your chances of planning for the future. Therefore, those who buy only what they need and do not put themselves in debt are closer to wealth than those who do not. Sign number 9. Has defined goals. Those who have short, medium, and long-term dreams and goals usually have a north to guide them when it comes to gathering and using their money. Thus, the person knows what is important to him and uses all his efforts to get where he wants and acquire what he has dreamed of. Sign number 10. Treat your money as something important. The person who wants to be rich, or at least to have an excellent financial condition, needs to see money as something important and that deserves to be taken care of in a proper way. If you see your money as a positive thing, talk about it with your family, and believe it's something important in life, you already know you're doing the right thing. After all, no rich person thinks that money is unimportant, and they all know that the lack of it is actually harmful. So don't be ashamed and know how to love money, because contrary to what many think, this is not a sin. Sign number 11. Always try to study. Finally, if you study a variety of subjects, including entrepreneurship and finance, your chances of being rich will be higher. So keep looking for financial education, read several books by big names in entrepreneurship, and never stop studying. Here are 11 signs that can indicate that you will be rich. Being a rich person involves several factors, such as current financial condition, social inequality, among others. However, emotional factors, habits, and beliefs are also involved in the enrichment process, as our mind and behavior can influence the way we see money and how we treat it. If you show these signs, or most of them at least, be happy, because you are on the right path and one step closer to the financial life you dream of.